I'm Shelby Doolittle, engineering lead for the Fractal Protocol, and today I'm going to show you the setup and basic operation of the Fractal Protocol inside Fractal ID's wallet. The Fractal Protocol uses Fractal ID to solve the Sybil problem for our data collection incentive system, which we'll cover later. For the initial testnet launch, we only require a Fractal account, just from providing an email address or phone number. Sometime before mainnet, Fractal ID will support liveness-only credentials. The protocol will then require a liveness check. If you're an existing Fractal ID user, you probably already have liveness on your account. If you're just here for the protocol, you'll need to take a few pictures of your face with your webcam just to prove you're a unique person. Enough of that for now, let's get started. I already have a Fractal ID account that has only provided an email address. And we can see in the extension that there's a protocol tab. I don't have a credential yet, but that's fine. I don't need one for the protocol. So we go over to this protocol tab and we can see some information about what it's going to do. Before I opt in, the extension does nothing protocol related. No data capturing, no data sharing, nothing. Once I opt in, the extension will generate an address for me and then register my opaque Fractal ID on the blockchain associated with that address that was just generated. Now that my ID is registered, the extension will publish a hashed and therefore unreadable representation of my page views daily to the blockchain to prove that I have been gathering data. Every day I'll receive testnet tokens for proving that I have been collecting data. My balance will increase up here at the top once that happens. For now, that's all the extension does. It captures your page views and publishes a hash representation of this data to the blockchain. During the testnet, we'll be working on libraries to allow applications to access this captured data, with your permission, of course. We have a lot of plans for making this data and token useful, and having a large volume of data ready to be used is just how we're planning to start.